How to create Google form. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create Google form. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device. After that, navigate towards the top right corner and now click on this dotted icon in front of your profile icon. Now from the bunch of this menu available, you have to scroll down and here you will have an option as forms. Click on it. Now you will land on this page where you will see various templates option. If you want to choose one from here, you can choose your preferred template. If not, you can simply create a form from the blank form. So click on blank form. Now from this page you can create a Google form. So first of all, you can add title to your form. Click on this section right here. Now you can clear this and add your title. Under that, you can add your form descriptions right here if you wish to. If not, now head towards the question section. Here tap on untitled questions and then here type in your question. And next to that field, there is this drop down provided right here. Here you will have various options to choose from. You can either choose short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, or the drop down. So according to your preferences or according to the type of answer that you expect, you can choose one from here. So for this question, I will choose the short answer. Now, if you want to make your question required, you have to turn on this toggle right here. By doing so, this question will be mandatory. Now, if you want to add another question, you have to click on this plus icon right here and then add another question. Now again, head towards this drop down and for this question, I will choose the multiple choice. Now to add various options to your question, you have to go to the option field. Here you will see some suggestion that you can use, but if that does not match with your answer, you can type in manually. Head towards another option and then add more options, and in this way you can add some more options as well. Again, if you want to make this question required, you can turn on this toggle. If not, you can just leave that as it is. If you want to add or if you want to make your text bold, you can do that as well. You can either make it bold, italic, or add underline as well. Here, if you want to import question, you can do that as well. There are various options provided right in this field, such as import question, add title and descriptions, import image, add video or add image, and then add sections. So if you prefer that also, you can do that as well. Now once you're done creating your Google form, if you want to share it, you have to click on this publish button right here. And here you can manage your audience. Click on manage and here you can manage the audience. Here you will have various options, either the editor view or the responder view. So according to your preferences, you can manage one from here. If you want to add people, then you can do that as well. So from here you can add different people that you want to share your form to. Once done, click on done and then click on publish. And with that, you have shared your Google form. And that's how you can create Google form. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.